Odette, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are super well. Thank you so much for watching and for clicking on this video. I am always happy to bring you guys videos every single week, and I do hope you guys enjoy my content. If you are new, my name is Odette. This is a skincare and beauty channel where I show you guys different skincare products that I have used to clear up my skin. Guys, when I look back on some of my old videos, I thought, oh my God, my skin was in very poor condition. And I've shared with you guys many skincare products that I've used to clear up my skin and all of that. So please check out the videos and also my website, which is sassyover55.com. Lots of information on there as well. And so today I am going to be testing out this Easy Drop. This is the Blur Soothe Tint Stick from Fenty Beauty. I do have the Easy Drops liquid formula right here, and the shade is number 18, and the stick is also number 18 as well. So whenever stuff like this happens with beauty brands, whenever they change their formulation or whatever it is they do from liquid to stick, I am always iffy about it because I know sometimes they may change the formula, whereas this works so well for my skin, but would the stick work is a question. So we're going to test it out today. My skin is already prepped, my eyes are done, so we're just going to get right into the video. So lovely little packaging. It came in this little lovely box right here, and of course this is the packaging. Many of you already have this, but of course I am always late to the party. Okay, I'm always the last to know. Okay, well, because I don't do a lot of makeup, you know what I mean? So it's more of skincare products anyways. So this is the product right here. I've already moved the top because the top really wasn't staying on. It was just a little plasticky top that was on there. And of course, this is the product, and it's again number 18, the same shade as the liquid Easy Drop. So let's see if this is going to work for my skin or not. Okay, so let's go. Okay, doesn't look too bad. Let's blend this out. Now this claimed to be a blurring stick, and I have to say this looks really good. It's a little bit mattifying as well, and of course seems as though it's going to fit my skin. So let's just continue blending this all over my face. Well, so far, so good. I'm really liking it. It's very soft application on the skin, and it's not glowing. It mattifies just a little bit. And mind you, I do have some skincare products on my face, so let's just give this a little bit more. And of course, I think you can basically build this up if you want. Wow, I am really liking this. I'm really surprised. I am absolutely 100% surprised that this blends so nicely on the skin. And I think I prefer the stick than the liquid. Again, it's the same shade. It's number 18. And wow, it blended out in no time at all. Oh my God, what do you guys think? Perfect shade. So what I'm going to do is, well, I'm going to go in with some concealer just to see if it's going to shift this blurring stick from Fenty Beauty. Let's see. So I'm going to be using this color correcting concealer. This is from Versanti Cosmetics. I adore this brand so much. So we are going to put a little bit of this under the eyes, and this really helps to brighten up under the eyes as well. I'm not going to go directly under the eyes, but I'm just going to go just a little bit under, and we're just going to blend this out. Now again, let's see if this is going to shift this Easy Drop. Let's just see. And you guys know I like to do this upward motion just to give me that little lift, right? Love that. Well, it did not shift the foundation at all. Wow, let's just continue to blend. Wow, that's amazing. It did not shift at all. Look at that. Okay, this did not shift one bit. I am going to use my Fashion Fair setting powder, and I'm just going to set this, and we're just going to see what the finished look is going to be like. I love the setting powder from Fashion Fair. I mean, look at that. Look at how easy and beautiful that set that concealer. Let's go in with a little bit more. Look at how lovely that is. Oh my God. I am really impressed with this Easy Drop stick. So I'm just gonna take the brush again and just remove any excess from around my nose. And there we go. This is a really lovely concealer. It helps to brighten under the eyes. It is so amazing. It's gonna be down in the description box for you guys. I really like that. So I'm going in now with my NW47 powder from MAC. So we're just gonna powder and we're gonna stay away from under the eyes. And I'm just using a stippling motion. Everything looks so nice and smooth, guys. I mean, look at that. I really love this. Okay, let's just take another minute or so to just finish powdering all over. And there we go. Look at that lovely highlight. That is great. Now let's go in with a blush, and I'm going to be using this blush from Morphe. What is this one called? I don't know. It's going to be down below for you guys. You know what I'm blind as a bat, right? You know that. So 3 beautiful colors in here. I'm going to use the one in the middle, but I'm just going to keep this highlight just right here in the corner. Not too much on the cheeks, but just around the temple. Maybe just a little brush right here, but mostly up here in the temple. Do you see how pretty that looks? Oh my God. Ah, that is nice. I mean, this is just my way of doing my makeup, okay? There is no rule when it comes to applying your makeup. It's whatever you fancy, right? A little crawl across the cheeks, but we're just gonna keep it right here, right? Just up here by the temple. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, let's do something with the lips now. This lipstick is number 22, and this is from Sephora. This is a Sephora brand lipstick. And if you are looking for the perfect nude, I say this all the time, this lipstick is for you. This is absolutely gorgeous. You would have seen this on Instagram, and it's also on featured on sassyover55.com. This is a beautiful nude lipstick. Now, this reminds me a little bit of Photo from MAC. That is one of my all-time favorite nude lipsticks. So if you want to go to MAC and pick up that lipstick, it's going to be great. It's called Photo, okay? This is number 22, and I got to tell you something. This lipstick is fire. I love this. Let's just put this on. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with, let's see, I'm gonna use a lip liner from MAC. This is Mahogany. Let's put this one on. Look at this. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. The mahogany lip liner and number 22 from Sephora is a perfect combination. Okay. Because this has a slight brownish undertone because I want to maintain that beautiful nude look that is absolutely gorgeous. Again, number 22 from Sephora. You need to run, not walk to get this lipstick. And of course, this is mahogany from MAC. You can use whichever lip liner you want, but I think this one looks really good. That's so pretty. Let's just set and seal everything. This is from Core Beauty. If you live in Canada, you can get this from Shoppers Drug Mart, okay? And then we're just going to finish this look. Let's just spray the face. I always like to do a little dab on my hand because what I love about this setting spray is it's a mist as opposed to like watering down your face. So the mist is, as you can barely see it, it's very, very, very light. So we're just gonna give this a minute to dry down and then we're gonna come back and we will finish this look. Okay, my lovelies, here we are, finished with this makeup look for today. Again, this is number 18, and this is the Blur Smooth Tint Stick from Fenty Beauty. And again, I had the same shade in the liquid Easy Drops, but I know I prefer the stick. This is so pretty, so beautiful. Lovely little highlight on the cheeks. Beautiful lipstick from Sephora. Lovely little color just around the eyes, and it's just so beautiful. I absolutely love it. I use this palette from Evolution on the eyes, and this is from Kat Von D. But if you guys want me to create this eye look, let me know. Leave me a comment below, and I'm going to definitely recreate that eye look for you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. You must get this. If you do have my skin tone, number 18 is the perfect shade for you. Okay, and I really hope you guys love this look. I do my makeup very simple, as you guys know. Okay, I absolutely adore this look. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video today. We are going to leave it here for now. Everything that I use on my face will be in the description box for you guys. And I thank you so much for coming in. And again, I hope you enjoy. And please come back next week for another video. Thanks for watching and toodles.